So x is equal to what? So we can use the technique. This one is the arc, and this arc is for both angle, the central angle x, and this one is a straight angle, so it must be 180 degree, and x plus 180 degree is a central angle standing on this arc, and 115 degree is standing on this arc, but this is not a central angle. This angle is a circumference angle, and we have a relation in theorem which central angle is double the circumference angle. So we can use the central angle is almost this whole part and including 180 degree straight angle, and we can use x plus 180 degree, and it's equal to 2 times of 115 degree. So we can use x is equal to 230 degree and minus 180 degree, and we get 50 degree. Okay, so this one is the answer. Why we use this one? Because the central angle is double the circumference angle, that's much. So you can use this question also and the same way, and just only we have to find the circumference angle x, and given the x replaced by 40 in previous questions, so you can use by yourself. But before the seeing the solution, you can uh, solve by yourself. But here we are going the same way. This one also a straight angle, so this becomes 180 degree, and 40 plus 180 degree, it becomes whole part, and this is 40 plus 180 degree, and it must be 2 times of x, 2 times of x. Okay, so 2x. Why? The central angle is same reason. Central angle is double the circumference angle. So same thing be applied, same rule be applied here, and we can use same thing, and the x becomes x is equal to 180 plus 40, 220 divided by 2, it becomes 110. So this is the final answer we have. So you can try yourself at home. This one is the new question, and we have to find the x is equal to what, where O is the center and 32 is the angle given. So we can use same way. Here we go through x, then this becomes a 2x, okay, because central angle is double the circumference angle standing on same arc. So this one is the same rule, same theorem be applied here. And 32 degree, this one is 32 degree, we have to use this one, two radius, because it's attached with the center and the circumference, and it must be equal. So 32 degree, it become also a 32 degree, and this is a isosceles triangle. So this angle must be, we can find. Okay, this angle must be, you can find, and this angle must be is equal to how can we can find? Suppose this be the theta, and theta is equal to 180 minus 2 into 32 degree. Why? Because the isosceles triangle and sum of the angle of a triangle must be 180 degrees. So subtracting of 180 degree by multiplying two remaining angles is must be the given which one is required to find, and this becomes 64, and 180 minus 64, 6 and 116 degree. So we can, and here for next 2x, this one is whole is 360 degree, so 2x plus theta is equal to 360 degree, and must be 2x is equal to 360 degree minus 116 degree, and x must be 4, and the required value becomes 1 2 2. So this one is the required angle. So in this way we can solve the related type of question. Same way, here is the next question, and we have to find the value of x, and O is the center of the circle, and this some of the parallel lines given. It's a form of parallelogram including center and radius and circumference. So here same way we can use, but here you have a clue, and it is must be easy than the previous, I think. X and this angle, x angle must be this one is equal to 2 times, you can use like this, and this x 2x, and this become a so you can use. So before you use your ideas, maybe you have to use the technique of construction. So in this way you can use like this, okay, and construct like this, and x, this whole angle becomes a 2x, and this x and this must be 180 degree. So you can use like this, and so recognize this one, either it will not be appropriate also. So you can use x and this 2x. So how it be possible? You think this line and this line with the radius of the circle, so it be the equal, and this one is equal to this, and this already equal to this, so already this is a rhombus. So rhombus and parallelogram obviously, so parallelogram and the opposite angles must be equal, so it is this angle must be equal to this, and this is a main theme of the question. So you can use 2x plus x is equal to 360 degree, and 360 degree, and x is equal to 120 degree, 120 degree, and this is how you can use, and it is the technique. So thank you guys, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.